I am Peter, and I am excited to be talking to you today about homes. And it's really one that has caused some consternation for me. And so that's really why I took the opportunity here to put this presentation together called How Home Warranties Work and How You Can Avoid the High Cost of Repairs. Because I think a lot of people have heard about home warranties, but they're unsure of how they work. And I just want to give you some of the structure of them so that if this is something that you're thinking about, if you're a homeowner, if you're a property owner of some sort, it may be worth considering. Now, we're going to step out here and talk about disclaimers. I am not endorsing anything in particular. We are not recommending any of these particular companies. I'm going to name a number of them, and you can go out and definitely get quotes from them, explore them, look at the different options. I'm going to talk in large generalities about how the home warranties work and the prices, but none of that is meant to be accurate in perpetuity. Please go out and do your own research. Let's dive into it. Your home, it's probably something that you love. You're probably very invested in your home. You spent some time finding it. But on the flip side, there was a movie from the 80s called Money Pit. It may be a very expensive investment. Regardless, even if it's a newer home, it could be pretty expensive. You bought an older home or a fixer up. There could be a lot of things to consider when you are maintaining and continuing to take care of your home. What we're going to cover today, I'm going to explain some of the costs of home ownership, what you can generally expect, some rules around that. I want to explain how home warranties work. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to avoid probably the most common problems that people have with home warranties. And then I'll give you some things to consider as you are thinking about, is it a good option for you? And if it is, how can you look at the different competitive products out there and decide what might be right for you?